welcome to another edition of Northern Pickers. Down on a lovely new little burn here to a new place, looking fantastic. We've done a little bit of pumping already, glory on it. Northern Pickers all the way, guys. Right guys, quickly show you around. We're on this lovely burn coming in from the hills down there. It's absolutely magic down here, we love it. Scotland all the way again, guys. Let's have a look. Sluice is set up, running brilliant. Done a few buckets already. Everything's sweet. Running really nice and quick. So we'll just bring you around and show you what we're doing. We've just been pumping out down in this lovely hole here, doing all along the edges here behind this massive rock. That's what we use there. Just doing along the edge here, pumping out, and we've seen a few bits of gold already, so it's looking good. So I'm doing the video. 10 days till Christmas, guys. We're absolutely loving it. Weather's really mild, 10 degrees. Mayman's loving it, he's been on point all day. Well, all morning. Yeah, what do you reckon, mate? Yeah, Northern Pickers all the way, guys. Right, guys, just been working along here, getting all the rocks out, raking it out. We've been pumping it all out. Some amazing sediment here. A bit. Full of sediment. Loads of little pockets in here, full of bedrock. Pretty magic. We've got a little hole down here, it's been chucking like tomato juice out. Quick one for you there. That tomato juice play, absolutely brilliant. Completely different makeup of geology here. Full of red sandstone, all the good products of Scotland's geology there. A real tight channel inside the bedrock here. Salmon paste the colour of it, really pink and red. Really weird red stones here. Magic. Just testing off. Right guys, sort it out. Running brilliant today, that's that. Absolutely brilliant. No messing. A bit of setting up today, tweaked it just to get it perfect. Once it's dry, you can really fly through the bucket. Absolutely fly through it. No messing. We haven't got time for messing about this time of year. There's not enough light hours in the day. full bucket, full message, waiting, happy days. We have been seeing little bits of gold there, we'll let it clear, back and have a look at it. I think that might be a nice piece. In fact, I'll bring you in, just quickly show you now. Ooh, look at this. I think that is a piece, not too sure though. Maybe. You can see little tiny bits in the cells as well there. It's running absolutely brilliant. Wonderful. What do you reckon, mate? Northern Pickers guys. That's it, main man's on it. One of the boys here, just doing a little tester. Emptied his sluice out just for 3 buckets. Happy days that, mate, happy days. What do you reckon, mate? Northern Pickers. Right guys, right down in this deep pocket, we've got a lovely channel between the bedrock here. Been working all the way along it. Raking it out. It's like salmon paste. Red sediment in here, it's unbelievable. Yeah, it's like tomato juice in here, isn't it? Unreal. I've never seen it as red as that anywhere. That's the red sandstone all broken down. Turned itself into a sludgy clay. You can't even see where the bucket is, it's that red and thick. Magic. Pinky red sandstone. Sort of crumbles away. A weird, really old red sandstone that. Sorts it out. So this guys, we're into the blood red here. That's what it's like under the bedrock. Absolutely seeing red over the gold there. Absolutely magic days. Magic days. Happy days, isn't it? Happy days, guys. Right guys, right down in this pocket, we're getting nice and deep now. On the bedrock all the way down. Take these last bits out. I'm raking blind here. Right in. Those are little pockets in the bedrock. we'll let that clear away. We're going to have a good look at the glass, see what we've got. Right guys, just have a quick look, see what we can see in there. Checking all the bottom out there. Checking all the bedrock along the edge there. We've got this lovely sandstone bedrock. Looking quite clear. We'll give it a few more pumps now. Still a bit of debris in there. We'll get on it. Full bucket, 1 minute, no messing about. Happy days there. Right guys, end of the day, just letting the sluice run clear now. Light's been dropping on us here. We've got probably half an hour of daylight where the main man wants his dinner. So we're just letting this clear off now. Right guys, quick look in here. Not seeing loads, I can see some nice little specks in the corner. A lovely chunky flake in the corner, a little nuggety piece there, lots of bits in there we can see. I have been watching, we didn't know if it was a nice flake or not, and it ended up probably about 4 rows down, it disappeared, so hopefully it's still in there. Right guys, get this sluice emptied out and have a quick look. It's been going all day this, all day. Gently do this. Need a bit more water there, but cool. Magic. Quick scan now. First time here, so hopefully it's a good spot. We have been seeing the gold. Oh yeah. Oh, is it? I don't know if it is or not. Oh yeah, look at that. Brilliant. Absolutely wonderful. Got a wee nugget there. Absolutely brilliant that. Magic, happy days, happy days. A bit more water there. Happy days, just to make this a quick one, innit? Not enough light hours in the day at the minute. Oh, it's happy days on here, absolutely happy days. Wee little nugget there, oh, there's a couple of nice flakes in there, I can see them straight away. Loads of black sand, loads of fines, loads of hematite, there's loads of shot this time. First thing I've seen up in these parts, actual shot. Well, people are having a bit of a shoot about. Let's tap this out and have a quick look guys in it. Happy days there, absolutely happy days. Tons of nice flakes, lovely smile in there. Had a bit of a battery die out. I'll have to be quick with this, guys. Just quickly show you that. Absolutely splendid result. Lovely little nuggets in there. Absolutely loving this. Yeah, we've got 3 or 4 nice flakes in there. We'll get this tidied up and we'll have a quick look at it and get some good pictures of that, guys, in it. Northern Pickers, happy days. There we go, guys. One of the team here, we'll just quickly show what he's got as well. Some beautiful flakes in there. Happy days again, all round for the boys there. Well done, mate. Right, guys, here we go. I was just about to pack up. We were checking the bottom pan. That's what fell out of my little bottom pan. So, yeah, doesn't matter how good you are. I like to pan into another pan. Just make sure you're not losing anything. And that's what I lost there. So, well, I didn't lose it, luckily. We got it back. It's going in the snuffer now. Right, guys, that's us, end of the day. Main man's ready. He's ready to go back, get some dinner. Quick last look at that, guys. Absolutely splendid days, happy days. Some lovely cracking nuggets in there. We're super happy with that. Absolutely splendid, buzzing, all the words we can imagine under the sun. So that's me, guys, Northern Pickers. We're loving the Scotland scenery again. What can we say? Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas from the main man. Right, guys, end of the day, Northern Pickers, another splendid day there. We're absolutely buzzing off the gold up here. We're definitely going to be back on here, maybe tomorrow. I think we are. Northern Pickers all the way, guys. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas, guys.